Hello, classic car lovers. Welcome to AZ Classic Cars Cheap. Here, we'll be discussing classic Prostreet cars, from their brutal looks, ferocious engines, to their spine-chilling build details. If you love muscle cars, drag racing, and classics with extreme modifications, subscribe now and go with us. One, 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, priced at $35,000 as listed. This 1965 Chevelle Malibu Prostreet comes powered by a mild 388 small block, built for pump gas and dyno rated at approximately 530 horsepower. The engine features a 4,340 crankshaft, Eagle 6-inch rods, a comp hydraulic roller cam, GM Performance aluminum heads, an Edelbrock intake, and a 750 CFM Holley carburetor. According to the seller, power is sent through a Richmond 5-speed manual transmission, paired with a center force clutch and blow-proof bell housing. Out back, the car has been back-halved and rides on a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.11 gears and a true track posy, supported by ladder bars and coilovers. The ad notes that all essential street equipment is functional, including working lights, gas gauge, and radio, and the car is described as a fun driver that cruises comfortably on the highway. The Malibu shows 65,000 miles, carries a clean title, and is offered at $35,000, with the seller open to possible trades, particularly for a nice lower mileage truck or other muscle cars. Located in Coleman, Alabama. 2. 1948 Temps panel van. Listed at $38,000. According to the owner, this 1948 Temps is an all-steel build, with no fiberglass components. Power comes from a 340 Chrysler engine, equipped with a dual Holley carburetor setup, paired to a 727 automatic transmission with a B&M shifter. According to the ad, the vehicle rides on a custom chassis, with a 4-link suspension front and rear, along with a Ford 9-inch rear end. Safety and structure are enhanced by a full roll cage, while the interior features custom tan bucket seats with high bolsters and race-quip 5-point harnesses. The seller also notes the use of braided stainless steel fuel and vacuum lines throughout the build. Visually, the Temp stands out with a custom paint scheme, described as a pearl cream upper body, with deep metallic burgundy lower panels, accented by retro-style orange and gold pinstriping that follows the body lines. The seller states that the vehicle runs and drives as good as it looks, showing 7,057 miles, and comes with a clean title. The asking price is $38,000, or best offer, with the seller open to sale or trade. Located in Russellville, Arkansas. 3. 1985 Chevrolet El Camino. Priced at $30,000. As listed, this 1985 El Camino Prostreet comes equipped with a 355 small block, featuring a scat rotating assembly, Canfield cylinder heads, and a hydraulic roller camshaft. Sitting on top is a 6-71 blower, with dual billet 750 CFM carburetors, supported by a MagnaFuel fuel system and MSD ignition. The drivetrain consists of a Power Glide automatic transmission, sending power to a Ford 9-inch rear end, equipped with 4.56 gears and ladder bars. Suspension duties are handled by QA1 components. The seller notes that the vehicle runs and drives very well, with just 4,200 miles driven. Finished in black over a black interior, the El Camino is described as being in solid condition and comes with a clean title in hand. The seller mentions that there is too much to list, indicating a no-expense-spared build, and is open to a partial trade. The asking price is $30,000, and the vehicle is located in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. 4. 1965 Plymouth Belvedere. Priced at $39,500. As listed, this 1965 Belvedere is a serious drag-and-drive build, with a well-documented history and professional craftsmanship throughout. Originally a rust-free California survivor, the car was fully disassembled and rotisserie sandblasted in Las Vegas, before receiving chassis and fabrication work from Fabtech in Chatsworth, California, including the roll cage, frame ties, and wheel tubs. Final bodywork and paint were completed by world-class paint and body in Simi Valley, finished in Chrysler Inferno Crystal Red. Power comes from a 572 Mopar wedge engine, built around a Cali's Mopar block, featuring a Molnar crank and rods, a Comp solid roller cam, Harlan Sharp rockers, and Edelbrock Victormax wedge CNC-ported heads and intake. Fuel and ignition duties are handled by a Pro Systems Dominator carburetor, MSD7 ignition, and a crank trigger, while lubrication is managed by a Williams fabricated 8-quart aluminum oil pan. The engine was dyno tested at West Coast Performance, producing 980 horsepower and 800 lb-ft of torque, and was featured in Hot Rod magazine. According to the seller, power is sent through a Hughes-built turbo 400 transmission with a reed case, paired with a Hughes torque converter and flex plate, and a precision performance air shifter. The rear end is a Strange S60 with 4.30 gears and a spool, Strange axles, and Caltrax monoline suspension with Calvert shocks. Up front, the car runs a Griggs/QA1 coilover suspension with double adjustable shocks. Additional features include a 10-gallon Jazz fuel cell, dual Odyssey batteries mounted in the trunk, and current window net and seatbelt certifications. The chassis is NHRA certified to 8.50, recently recertified, and race-ready. The seller states the car recently ran 9.40 at 141 miles per hour and 3,600 DA on a non-prep track, with a 6.0 at 115 miles per hour in the 8th mile, and has made 4 recent passes in Las Vegas. The vehicle is offered with a clean title, with payment accepted via cash or wire transfer. The car is located in Las Vegas, Nevada. 5. 1988 Chevrolet Beretta Drag Car Roller. Price: $15,000. Location: Oglesby, Illinois. This 1988 Chevrolet Beretta drag car is a purpose-built roller designed for serious straight-line performance. Built with racing as its primary mission, this Beretta features a professional Austin round-tube chassis constructed from mild steel and fully MIG-welded for strength and consistency. The chassis is NHRA certified to 8.50. This makes it suitable for competitive drag racing environments while still offering flexibility for custom drivetrain installation. The body is entirely fiberglass, including the hood, doors, deck lid, and rear wing. This significantly reduces overall weight and improves performance potential. Set up for big block Chevrolet power and a Powerglide transmission, this roller provides an excellent foundation for a high horsepower build. The rear end is a Ford 9-inch equipped with 4.56 gearing and a ladder bar suspension, offering proven durability and traction under hard launches. Up front, the car features a Mustang 2-style front suspension. This provides improved weight transfer and control. With a previous race weight of approximately 2,100 pounds when equipped with a steel-headed big block, this Beretta offers strong potential for competitive elapsed times. The car is sold as a roller, requiring only engine and transmission installation to complete. Built for racers who value function over flash, this Beretta represents an excellent opportunity to own a serious, track-focused platform without starting from scratch. 6. 1976 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price: $15,000. Located Flint, Michigan. The 1976 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D is a heavily modified project car, blending classic Mustang 2 styling with aggressive performance upgrades. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this Mustang presents a refreshed exterior, having been repainted last year with rust properly removed and replaced with new metal. At its heart is a 351 Windsor engine swap-topped with a Wind 174 supercharger, transforming the car into a high-potential street instrument machine. Supporting upgrades include a Holley 850 CFM double-pumper carburetor, solid lifters, high-rise intake, MSD ignition, Hedman headers, electric fuel and water pumps, and a 7-quart oil pan. Despite extensive upgrades, this Mustang is clearly stated as a project, with a slipping blower belt, a leaking transmission, and unfinished gauge wiring. The sale includes numerous extra parts, making it ideal for a hands-on enthusiast seeking serious potential. 7. 1976 Chevrolet Vega. Price: $20,000. Located, Selmer, Tennessee. The 1976 Chevrolet Vega offered here is a race-focused roller, built for performance enthusiasts seeking a compact and aggressive platform with room for customization. This Vega is being sold without an engine, transmission, converter, or fuel pump, making it an ideal foundation for buyers who already have a preferred drivetrain combination or want to build to specific racing requirements. Designed with competition in mind, the car previously utilized a belt-driven fuel pump setup, indicating its serious performance intent. Its compact dimensions make it well-suited for small tire or lightweight race classes, while the overall configuration allows flexibility for different engine and transmission choices. Trades are welcomed, though trade value is higher, and the seller emphasizes interest in similarly performance-oriented vehicles. For buyers seeking a more complete package, there's an option to include a power glide transmission and a 355 small block Chevrolet engine, for an additional cost to be discussed directly. This adds further appeal for racers looking to minimize sourcing time and quickly assemble a competitive car. Overall, this 1976 Chevrolet Vega represents a strong opportunity for racers who value lightweight platforms and customization freedom. Whether built for track competition or as a high-performance project, it offers solid value and a proven base for serious performance applications. 8. 1973 Plymouth Duster. Priced at $20,000. As described in the listing, this 1973 Duster is a big-tire drag-and-drive project. The car features a custom-built chassis and is powered by a 383 Mopar big block engine, currently set up to run on alcohol. According to the seller, the car previously ran 6.50-second passes in the 1/8 mile. Power is delivered through a 727 automatic transmission, equipped with a manual valve body. The car is being sold as a project, as it has been sitting for about a year. The seller began rewiring the car to add proper circuit protection, with a new fuse and relay box already installed. Though the wiring still needs to be completed, the carburetor is described as needing replacement or rebuilding, as it does not idle properly and leaks fuel, and the fuel system will need to be gone through before returning the car to service. The seller notes plans to eventually convert the car to run on 110-octane race fuel, but has decided to step away from racing instead. The Duster comes with a clean title and is offered at a firm price of $20,000, with the understanding that the price would increase if the car were finished. The vehicle is located in Blackwell, Missouri. 9. 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova. Offered at $50,000. Heat. As listed, this 1963 Nova comes powered by a 412 small block. The engine features an Eagle 4340 steel crank, H-beam rods, Wisico blower pistons, Dart aluminum heads, Jezel rockers, and a billet 6-71 BDS supercharger, fed by twin 750 CFM carburetors. A NASCAR special ground camshaft adds extra punch, and ignition is handled by a full MSD system, with a crank trigger 200 kit. The drivetrain includes a turbo 350 automatic transmission, with a trans brake. The car is described as streetable on pump gas, with all lights functioning, and comes with super slick body and paint inside and out. As noted by the seller, the body is all steel, except for the bumpers and trunk deck, and all glass is intact and functional, including the roll-up windows. The listing notes the car is turnkey and fully functional. The seller is asking $50,000, or may consider a trade, for a nice 4-link roller with cash on top. Located in Huntsville, Alabama. 10. 1952 Kaiser Henry J. Listed at $30,000. According to the listing, this 1952 Henry J is a fully finished street/strip build that is 100% turnkey and ready to enjoy. Power comes from a 302 roller engine, backed by a C4 automatic transmission, with the seller emphasizing that no expense was spared during the build. According to the seller, the engine has been completely refreshed, with new flat-top pistons and rings, a ComCam's hydraulic roller cam, new aluminum cylinder heads, 1.6 roller rockers, and a polished aluminum air gap intake. Supporting upgrades include a Melling oil pump, a high-torque starter, a new damper and flex plate, and a 600 CFM Holley carburetor, topped with an aluminum air cleaner. Additional highlights listed include an aluminum timing cover, high-volume aluminum water pump, aluminum pulleys, a high-performance output distributor with 8mm XL wires, and Ford aluminum fabricated valve covers. The seller notes that the car is completely finished, turnkey, and comes with a folder full of receipts documenting the work. IT is described as a real attention grabber wherever it goes. The vehicle carries a clean title and is offered at $30,000. Located in Federal Way, Washington.